is the Terry di Terry, I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Christmas gift ideas, or well, gift ideas in general, and they are all going to be focused on luxury or contemporary luxury. So if you are new to my channel and you do love luxury and fashion and you aren't already subscribed, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week on a Wednesday and on a weekend. Okay, so items that are great gift ideas for Christmas. They are, like I said, in that luxury sort of area, so the price is not going to be Kmart pricing. Look, let's just be honest here. So they are going to be a little bit up there in price, but I still have made them relatively affordable for what I consider to be appropriate for gifting, and they are going to be in some varying price ranges, but the most expensive item is at 725 USD, but otherwise majority of them are under 500 USD. Now I do have a bit of a surprise for you at the end of this video. Yes, this Christmas ideas does have a giveaway in it. It just made sense to me, you know, Christmas being that time of year of giving, then why not give back to you guys to thank you for watching my YouTube channel and also for following me on Instagram. We're going to talk first about gift ideas for women. So I've broken it up into women and men, but in reality, you know, I feel like everything these days is unisex anyway. And we're going to start off with bags. So the first bag that I have that is a fantastic gift idea is going to be from Senreve. So I have spoken about Senreve on my channel many a times. It was actually in my gift ideas from, I think it was at the start of this year for Valentine's Day, and I still stand by the fact that the Senreve bags are a fantastic gift idea, and in specific I recommend the Aria belt bag. The reason that I recommend the Aria belt bag is because it's at a really fantastic price point, especially for luxury. I consider Senreve to be luxury. It is more so of that contemporary modern luxury because it is a very new age brand, but they definitely have the quality of luxury, no doubt about it. So this is the Aria belt bag in Pebbled, which is on the cheaper side of their Aria belt bag. So the price of this is 445 USD. And then with Senreve, as long as your order is 300 USD, you can use my coupon code to get 50 USD off, which is Purseonfleek 50. Just enter that at checkout. So the thing with the Aria belt bag is that even though it's called a belt bag, it is literally not only a belt bag. You can use it as a crossbody bag, which is the way that I typically use mine. So it does have these loops on the inside, which is how you convert it into that crossbody shoulder bag. And then you can also take this off, use it as a clutch. And if you do want to use it as a belt bag, then you just use the loops at the back here. I do have 7 ways that you can wear the Aria belt bag, so I will link that down below. It's just an IGTV video. It's a very quick one anyway. The other option that they have for the Senreve Aria belt bag is in Mimosa. So this is on the next side up when it comes to price point, and the price point of this one is 495 USD for Mimosa, and it's again the same thing. You have the belt loops at the back for the belt bag, and then on the inside you have the loops on the inside to make it into a crossbody shoulder bag. It is very spacious inside too. This is actually the newest one to my collection. This is in the color chiffon, so this is Mimosa. This is Pebbled, and that's in the color chestnut. And like I was saying, they are very spacious inside. They've got like a zip compartment here, and then they've got card slots just over there, a couple of them, but you can fit multiple cards. Just because there's 3 card slots or 2 card slots doesn't mean that you only can fit 2 cards. You can fit more. And then they've got a slot at the front as well if you want to put more cards or cash or whatever. I use these pretty much on a day-to-day basis. That's why I do actually have 3. And the third one is in the leather dragon. So this is essentially a croc embossed, and again same thing, belt loops at the back and the loops on the inside. Same design again inside as well, and this is more expensive. The price on this is 545 USD. Again, like I said, you get 50 USD off anyway, so just take 50 USD off all those prices when you do use my coupon code. This croc leather I find to be very, very durable. It is somewhat soft, but it is very durable as well. Like, it feels quite sturdy. I do also like the fact that this croc is quite a larger sort of grain to it, which I personally feel makes it a little bit more, I don't know, looks a little bit more realistic than the very small like croc. I don't know, that's just my personal preference. But those are my 3. Absolutely love them. I use them a lot, and I think they are fantastic gift ideas because they are at a fantastic price point, and they are very versatile, being that you can wear them 7 ways. And another one is a bag, but it's kind of also an SLG as well. This is on the higher price, I must admit. It is a Saint Laurent Baby Lou chain wallet. I think it is very, very cute. If you like mini bags, I think that this is a great, relatively great price point for the fact that it is a mini bag. It is a mini bag, so it doesn't fit your phone. It is more on the expensive side when it comes to all the items that I have today. So the price on this is 725 USD, but I do like the variety of colors that it comes in. I personally would go for a pop of color when it comes to a mini bag like this, but they do have it in black and neutral colors as well. What I do like about it is the leather. It is actually in that pebbled leather, so I find that to be more on the easygoing, durable, carefree sort of side of things. And it is also Saint Laurent, and I feel like Saint Laurent is very well respected when it comes to handbags. So all the items that I'm mentioning today are going to be listed down below in the description bar. Now we're going to move on to what are actually SLGs. And the first one is actually something that I do have here. This is from Senreve, and it is their Bracelet Pouch. This is technically an SLG to me, a small leather good, but it does work as a clutch, so it can kind of work as a bag too. It's got this little leather strap here that you can actually remove, and you can use this as a bracelet as well. So it just snaps off like that, and then you can just wrap it around your wrist as use it as a bracelet. It's too big for me though. I do have very small wrists. But yeah, if you are keen on that, then that's an option. The price point in this is actually really cheap. It's 175 USD. You can't use my coupon code for this one though, because it is under 300 USD. You need to meet 300 USD minimum for the coupon code. But what I do like about it is that you can put it in your hand like this. So yeah, fits a phone, no issues. And it also has a card compartment just there as well. So you can use this as a grab and go sort of item. You can put it in your handbag. Say you use a big tote bag for work, carry one of these in your bag with your, like, as a wallet. And then if you say need to go out for like coffee, for any kind of meeting or something like that, you don't want to carry your big tote bag, say it's just around the office or you're just going down the road for coffee, just take this out of your tote bag and off you go. And I'm going to tell you guys now that this is actually going to be a part of the giveaway. I think this actually works for men as well, especially in the color black. I think that this is definitely a unisex item, and I think it is very uber cool for a male that is into fashion. Like, could you imagine like that, walking around with it as a guy? I just think it's really cool. I hope I'm not going through this video too quickly. I do have my son with me and he's a bit unsettled, so I am trying to film this quickly, so I apologize if I am talking too fast. But we are going to move on to the next SLG item, and it is in fact the very trusty, reliable Louis Vuitton key pouch. I have had this for probably over a year now, but I used to own it many years ago. It's pretty much one of my first SLGs, and I absolutely swear by it. I think it's a fantastic mini wallet, key pouch, whatever you want to use it as. I use it as a mini wallet, and then I attach my car fob on the end of it. But this is actually a very hard to get item, unfortunately. I am mentioning it because I think that it is a fantastic gift if you are able to get your hands on it. The retail price is 225 USD. However, if you can't get it, then I do have some other mini wallets that I do recommend, but I don't own. The first one is the Gucci blue card holder. I specifically picked this because I absolutely love this baby blue. I love it so much, and I actually bought this color in a bag before, but I ended up returning it. It was in the super mini and I just found it to be too mini. But this card holder is a really reasonable price. It's 250 USD. It is made of leather. It's the Marmont leather, which I find to be quite durable. It's not soft like Chanel lambskin or anything like that. Now let's move on to scarves. I do have a couple Gucci scarves that I recommend. I do tend to lean towards Gucci when it comes to gift ideas because I kind of feel like everyone loves Gucci. Like, it's just such a universally popular brand, so that tends to be why I lean towards Gucci. Plus, it's more readily available online. There are a lot of retailers for Gucci, and I think the price point is very reasonable when it comes to luxury, because Gucci is at that very kind of top end when it comes to luxury, is the Gucci scarf. It is made of mohair, and it is with those very large GGs, and it is 630 USD, but I do love that larger GG for the Gucci print. I just think that it's very cool and youthful looking. Yeah, that's my personal opinion. I also like that it's kind of double-sided. You've got the dark brown and then you've got the beige on the other side. Mohair I prefer anyway than wool. I just find that with wool sometimes it can be a little bit delicate with pulls, whereas mohair, I mean, how are you going to pull mohair? It is pretty robust, and it's also already kind of got that fraying to it, you know what I mean, like kind of that worn look. However, I do have another option. It is actually from the men's section, and it's the Gucci scarf, which is the GG all over, but the GG in this men's section is actually larger than what the Gucci scarves are in this same price point in the women's section. That's something that I did notice, and I prefer that larger GG. So the men's scarf is 450 USD. It is going to be linked down below. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below. Now I have some other items. Okay, the next items are going to be in that beauty category for luxury. However, these are actually going to be very reasonably priced. So if you aren't wanting to spend too much on gifts, but you still want to give something that is luxury, then I would definitely recommend the items that I'm going to mention now. And the first one is an Hermes lipstick. So Hermes recently released their makeup line, which is predominantly lipsticks at the moment, but I'm sure that they're going to be expanding much further into the beauty category. And this one is a limited edition lipstick, so it was a little bit more expensive than the typical lipsticks. In Australia, the permanent range is 94 Australian dollars, but this one was 102 Australian dollars because it is a limited edition. So it does have a different coloring on the bottom. And this shade is the color Rose Ombre. I did purchase one for myself, but this one is going to be for you guys. So this is going to be a part of the giveaway with the Senreve Bracelet Pouch. It is a very bougie lipstick. It comes with its own dust bag. Like, what other lipsticks in the luxury category for beauty come with their own dust bag? So I think that this makes for a fantastic gift idea if you're not wanting to spend too much money. I think that the price point is around about 80 USD or something like that. The other option is to actually go ahead and compose your own set of 4 travel size fragrances. Now I actually really like this idea because you can pick different fragrances from the Hermes lineup. You can't pick like the Twilly d'Hermes one, or like you can't get the, I think it's the Merveille's one. It is limited to the ones that you can select, but it is the classic Hermes fragrances. And the price of this is actually $160 Australian or 124 USD, and they all come in their own individual dust bags too. So I think that it's a really nice gift idea. Now let's move on to the men's items. So I don't have any of these items here again because there is an item in here that I wanted to buy but I was unable to, but I'll leave that till later because it is on the lower cost side. So firstly, we're going to start off with men's t-shirts. So men's t-shirts, I would actually recommend this Burberry t-shirt. It is 390 USD, but I do like the fact that it's got that Thomas Burberry logo. It's very, I don't know, I just find that it's not over the top. I think that, like, I just think of, like, when I think of these gift ideas, I think of my husband in mind. Like, what would he actually wear? What is his kind of taste? And I feel like when it's more understated, he does prefer that kind of luxury t-shirt, something that is more understated. And this Thomas Burberry logo in the corner is very much an understated luxury style of t-shirt, but I also know that Burberry t-shirts are really good quality too. The other one that I've also got here is the Balmain t-shirt. So this is a little bit more obvious luxury, but Balmain does that. I feel like they do obvious luxury in a very tasteful way as well. It's not like completely over the top with, say, like Off-White or anything like that, or Vetements or anything. Balmain looks very classy. The other items that I have are SLGs. And the one that I actually picked as my absolute favorite when it comes to SLGs is this Balenciaga zipped card holder. And I think it is really cool because it pretty much is a compact wallet in a more easy to use way. So you have the card slots on the outside, which I personally like, and then you've got a slot for bills as well just behind those card slots, but then you've also got a zippered section that you could use for bills as well. You could also have swapped that around and put cards behind the other cards too. But yeah, you could put bills in the zippered section, you could put coins in the zippered section. You pretty much get everything that you would get generally in like a bifold wallet, but in a more compact state. The other SLG that I have for men is the Gucci debossed card holder. I feel like personally less bang for your buck because it is 295 USD. It doesn't have a zippered section. It's essentially purely only cards, but I think that this works well for men that A, really like Gucci, and B, just only carry cards. They never carry cash. So it's completely perfect for that. The other one I have here is actually now a bifold wallet. So this applies more to men that actually prefer a proper full-size men's wallet. This is from Valentino. It is 345 USD, which I still think is actually really good value because it is an actual bifold wallet, so it's bigger in size. It's got a lot of card holders, a lot of card slots, and then it's got a lot of compartments for bills and receipts. The only thing that it's lacking is a coin compartment. But these days, a lot of us don't really carry coins anyway. Now, the last item that I have here that is in that very affordable price point, and this is something that I'm very much potentially, most likely will be getting for my husband. Yeah, I am going to get this for my husband. I was thinking of getting it for his birthday, but I have decided I'm going to get it for him for Christmas because I don't want to miss out on getting this because it is a limited edition gift set. It is the Terry D. Hermes fragrance set. Again, it is great value because you get the full-size bottle for the price of this gift. Like, the price of this gift set is the price of the full-size bottle on its own, but then you get a miniature bottle as well, and you get the aftershave lotion as well. So you're getting really good value in this. But that is everything. That is all the items that I have that I think are fantastic Christmas gift ideas. Okay, so now into the giveaway portion of this video. So you are going to receive both of these items. There will be one winner who will receive both of these. They are both brand new. So there are going to be some rules for this giveaway, of course. Firstly, you must be subscribed to my channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button below if you aren't already subscribed. Also, give this video a thumbs up as well. And to actually enter the giveaway, I need you to head over to the comments section down below and answer me this question. What is my favorite luxury brand? Yes, if you watch my videos, you will know the answer to this question. What is my favorite luxury brand? All I need you to do is answer that down below in the comments section, also followed by your Instagram username or your email address if you don't have Instagram, so that way if you do win, I can contact you. Anyone who enters on YouTube is automatically given 2 entries into this giveaway. It is open worldwide. It's going to be running for 2 weeks from the date that I upload this video. All the details for the giveaway is going to be in the description bar, around about midway through the description bar. But I do also have an option to get some bonus entries as well. You will need to head over to my Instagram, which is Purseonfleek, and look out for this picture. And in that picture will be some details on how you can actually enter my giveaway via Instagram, and that will give you bonus entries as well. So if you've watched this video, you're automatically going to get 2 entries if you enter the giveaway, you know, answer my favorite luxury brand. And then if you head over to Instagram, you can also get the bonus entry applicable on there as well too. And yeah, like I said, it is open worldwide for 2 weeks, and it is just my way of giving back to you guys. Thank you very much for watching my channel, for subscribing, for tuning into my content twice a week. I have been on YouTube now for just a little less than, I think, 2 years, and I have been having a great time. So I really enjoy interacting with you guys. I do hope that you love these gift options. Okay, so that is it for my Christmas gift ideas. Everything is going to be linked in the description bar down below. But that is all. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.